Trying to make enough noise to make sure there wasn't anything in there.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Potatoes up with it.
Yep. There was one right there.
Yeah, that's it. It's a nice one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you got another one there.
Uh-oh.
See it on the. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's a couple.
I think what they were doing, I think they were cutting them.
Oh, yeah, sir. Probably so.
Yeah, so they didn't pull any potatoes there.
Yeah, sir. What's that?
Yeah, like there's one right there. See,
What's that, Dad?
I know you was around there. With the, see him right there?
Oh,
I know you was
yeah.
around there because those lizards, they be in there, you see.
Yeah, sir. And there's that little frog behind you too.
Huh?
Little frog right there too by your feet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew you had to be in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Get out of here before I get that shovel, boy.
I'm looking, Dad. That I don't know if that's a grass snake.
Huh?
That I don't know if that's a little grass snake. That might be something else.
That's a little garden snake.
A little garden snake?
Yeah.
Because I'm looking at the little tongue there
Oh
flickering.
yeah, they wanna try and get you. Yeah. I'm gonna get that shovel and shoot him on if you wanna stick.
Hold on, Daddy. Turn it on your way. He coming your way.
Yeah, he knows where he escaped.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, see.
Huh.
See where he's
sir. Oh, look, he's right around. And look, he's raising up too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he wants to.
Look
You
at
gotta
that.
get this shovel. I'm trying to spare your life, but if you want to hang around, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, let me get the shovel. I'm sorry, guys.
Uh-oh, Dad, go and get the shovel. You gonna do what you can do. You better do it quick. Look at the potatoes, though. Keep an eye on it, make sure it don't go in that pile of grass.
Still there?
Yeah, sir. Just right against the board there.
Now look, Phil, I'm trying to let you hang around. If you want to come back this way.
Well, maybe, because you could probably end up going in neighbor's yard. Now he's went in between the boards there. Now, see it? all the way on the very far end. No, sir, way down here, Dad. He's right here.
He's out?
Yeah, sir, he's over here. See him right against the tip there? And he's raising up.
Okay, fella. I'm trying to get you to get away from here so we can get something done. Oh, now you want to run, huh? You gotta see something. You can run.
Got it.
Tried to spare you, fella, but you're too hard-headed.
Got him. Yep.
Not cutting.
Little lizards. Oh, that's nice size.
That's one thing.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I just cut him, I believe.
Yeah.
Some of them go down deep.
Yes, sir. Oh, wow. Yes, sir. That's one. I'm surprised it's that deep. I'm surprised it's that deep.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have guessed it. Look.
Deeper than that.
Yes, sir. I'm looking at something. Looks like.
I found something way down deep before.
Yeah, sir. Yep. And look, there's one right there. Yeah. And there's another one beside it.
Yeah, that's from another one. I was trying to see if there's anything else down here from this particular one. Maybe something here. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't cut anything. Yeah. Those little ones.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, Dad, you want me to dig and you go ahead and video?
Huh? Oh, we're in video. Okay, let's see what we got over here. That looks like one I cut there.
Yeah, sir. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, another. Yeah, so you're right, Dad. A bunch of bacon size.
Yep.
There's a little one there.
That one look, I just cut it.
Yeah, sir. Now, don't hurt your back, Dad.
There's
Trying
the
to
one
get
I cut there.
Yeah, sir. Yep. That's another one.
That's why they suggest you dig them with your hand.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. That's a nice one. There's one next to it. Wow. They do go deep, huh?
Yeah. That's why they say if the dirt is loose, they can grow better.
Yeah, sir.
look at this rascal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, them worms
Oh, yeah.
getting me jumpy. Oh, man.
Yes, sir. Wow. Uh-oh. Look like that rain might be trying to come down.
It's not good. I'm sure people put it in. I'm saying. This is everywhere.
Oh, yes, sir.
So the snakes be in there. They be getting their stomach full.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Worms everywhere. You got
that'd
good
be
night
good for
crawlers.
fishing.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Good night crawlers.
There could be something bigger down there below this.
Yes, sir. Good night crawlers down there. Yes, sir.
Almost
Yes, sir.
cut into that one.
Oh, and look at that. That's a nice one. Oh,
I
wow.
cut on him because I
Yes,
felt the
sir.
shovel when it hit it. Should have had a can to put those worms in it. Go fishing with them rascals.
Yes, sir.
Hey, 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 hey. Something in there. Let's see. Oh, that looks nice here.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Look at that. See, I didn't go down far enough to get that dirt loose all the way down there.
Yes, sir.
And I think that might have hindered them some. There's something over there.
Oh, mm-hmm.
Oh, those worms. Yeah, look at that.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Oh.
That's nice.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Ah.
Oh, there's some more. Uh-huh.
Let's stick this shovel in again. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Wow, look. Bunch. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's pretty.
Look
pretty.
at the size of that one. There, you might want to keep on scooping next to the wall there.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying not to cut anything. That's... They'll run in there and grow.
Yeah, sir.
I think this is the best I've harvested yet.
Yeah, sir. Hold on. What's that there? Oh,
Huh?
I like, what is that little thing moving?
Probably a worm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I was looking at.
Uh-huh.
And I see one down there now.
They've even, the vines have even gone through there and grew potatoes on the other opposite side.
Yeah, sir. There's one.
Okay, let's see what we can pull out of here.
Oh, that's a nice bake. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man.
And there's something else over here.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, man.
Oh. Dad, you're going to eventually have to start you a garden YouTube channel.
Now, see, the thing is,
You
you
got-
can dig under here. yet.
Yeah, sir. You're going to have to ship all your potatoes. That's that's a sack. Too bad. I wonder if we had you don't have a sack, huh, Dad?
What?
Like and I threw away the old bag yesterday that the potatoes came in.
Yeah.
Because I was like, you literally can bag these up.
Well, actually, they suggest that you put them in a box.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that's right. We got our box waiting.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Although, Dad, I think you might. Yes, sir. Because I was finna say, I think you might be feeling.
I think it'll do that good.
All these potatoes.
Yeah. And I really didn't water them the way they needed to be watered to.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, they probably would have done better.
Yes, sir. Yeah, these gnats. Like I said, that little moisture seemed like they done brought the gnats out.
I'm looking at another one underneath there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me see. Where the old list to go yet?
Yes, sir.
Look at it. Look. One there. I felt something over here that didn't.
A little small one there, a little skinny one. Yes, sir.
Put that one.
It's a nice baker. So far, this box, he haven't finished. He got 1/4 of the garden left and the box almost full.
What you gonna do with all those sweet potatoes?
I cook them. I try and make a little potato bread, but I gave up on that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, Papa, you make a bacon.
Uh-huh.
Make a bacon.
Oh, yeah, I like them baked.
And
Yeah.
I like them cooked too.
Uh-huh.
I
Yeah.
love them cooked.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, these gnats ain't gonna give up on us. Yep.
It looks like it's gonna rain on y'all, Papa.
It's coming again.
Yes, sir. Oh, that looks like one. Yep. I saw the tip of one. Oh, that's a little bitty one. Oh, there we go. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a lot of good fishing.
Cover that up and just have Junior come out here and put something in the thing and collect some night crawlers.
Yeah, I guess we can do that.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna get the ground ready for planting mustard green.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's see.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big one. Yep.
Good. Nah. I don't believe that. I don't believe that.
Well, Dad, I think you could say you had a successful potato plant harvest, sweet potato harvest.
Yeah, boy.
Uh-oh, you feel like you cut wood?
Hope it didn't.
Yeah, you had a nice haul.
Oh, yeah.
He did good. I told him, I said, he's going to have to start his own YouTube channel now for gardening.
The problem is, though, that to have somebody to video while
Well, I want everybody to know that's watching this, it's not that I'm letting my dad do all the work. It's his garden, so I want him to show you this is by his own design, his own creation. With God's help, of course.
I'm thinking there might be something over here, but I don't want to.
Yeah, sir, mess with your peppers right
Yeah.
now. Because I was telling Ton, I said, the peppers probably going to be ready. Where's the ones I saw? Yeah. So these are going to probably be ready.
Species, because you notice they don't get large like these.
Yeah, sir. And then she has these over here. So, but these are going to be ready soon. And she already harvested off of these.
3 times.
Yeah, sir. So, but you can see them a lot better there now. All them peppers hanging. Yeah.
So get one like that, Tom, so you can make fries with that.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Over.
Also, you
What?
can have some cornbread to take with you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Man, I used to remember my daddy used to go over some rolls. All looked like we had rolls from him. So,
Looks like we got another little shower coming.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We got showers coming.
that's what I tell them, Kim. Y'all don't know nothing but going in the garden, getting the sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Now, don't hurt your back, Dad. Here, let me. You want to try? Okay. Them girls gonna yell at me. Why you let Dad pick up that heavy box of potatoes? Because I want them to see.
Yeah, boy.
Look at that. Ooh, don't speak.
I don't want to pour that out because it's been sitting there. And,
Oh yes. Nothing's in it though, Dad.
Hmm?
Nothing's in it.
yeah, but those flies. They,
Going.
last time around, I didn't even get half that many.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. So Dad, how much? What were you saying before I went in, Dad?
Again?
What were you saying before I went in?
You say you got the.
That's the most that I've ever done.
Oh,
That's more than half of what I did last year.
So that's at least a sack. What would you say? That's definitely a sack. But I mean, what? That's a 10-pound sack? No, that's more.
Maybe a little 40-pound sack.
A little 40-pound sack? Yeah.
Maybe. I would think.
Yeah, you got some small
Yeah.
ones. You got some big ones in there.
Hmm?
You got some big ones in there.
Oh yes.
What are you gonna do then? Are you gonna make sweet potato bread or pie or are you
I
gonna?
was telling them I gave up on the sweet potato bread because Jared took his recipe to the grave with him. And although he gave us the recipe, but mine could never turn out like his.
What you mean, Uncle Blue?
That guy had a knack to make potato bread.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
People used to ask him to make potato bread for them.
Yes.
Oh yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good at that. Puppy.
And the rain actually looked like it again passing us by
Hey,
again.
boy. Look at potatoes. Look. See your potatoes?
Dogs can eat sweet potato.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Dogs,
Oh yeah.
they can eat sweet potato.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
I
Oh,
mean,
absolutely.
Look, Dad, they cannot eat a sweet potato pie, but you can cook a little sweet potato, maybe with a little teeny bit of salt or a teeny bit of honey. Like, no, they can't have a sweet potato pie, but they can eat sweet potato.
What you doing, little one? What you doing? And that's pepper bush is still up there. So
Does Winston eat ice cream?
Ice cream for dogs. So it's
Really?
so yes. And I said, where did you buy them? We were at their house a few weeks ago, and their dog came back from going out on a walk, and that's how they treated him with, like, you know those little ice cream cups like we used to get in school with the little wooden stick.
Mm-hmm.
It looked just like that, but they just gave it to him and he licked it up.
Mm.
And I said, where did you get that? They said, I said, is that by where they have the fresh dog food in the refrigerated cases? And they said, no, we get it at what did they say, Walmart or Winco, right where the other ice cream is.
Mm.
I don't know if it's like without lactose or, but it is for dogs. I bet
Well,
it's
you know,
expensive just
the only
because
thing is I don't get
it's
much
for
cream
dogs.
with things like cherries or any kind of berries or anything. But not like last night we had some and that was peaches in that.
Oh right,
Yeah. But like like I tell you, cut that cheese up to do my the
little
oatmeal
crackers,
cookies and cheese. I can't eat it without them.
I do give
The dog want everything.
Yes. I do give Winston little pieces of, so like the same sort of little square that you make,
Yeah.
but I
The
just,
dogs want everything. The dogs-
yeah, I
yeah.
buy those
Oh,
already
yeah.
made because, I'm lazy.
Milo,
But I just pinch a little teeny piece
here you
off.
come. Look.
Oh,
Because,
okay.
Come over here.
I was at the vet office one time, and they had little pictures of people food, and so like a little 1-inch block of cheese was something like,
Cheese and a little dab of the cookie, and he wipes it out.
So now, Dad,
Yeah.
those potatoes, I want everybody to understand that this is another little batch of sweet potatoes.
That's a
That
different
is
batch.
hard.
That came from those pots.
Those potatoes came from, how many you had them in? Two pots, Dad? 2 or 3?
3.
He had them in the 3 of the pots there that you see. So that's where those potatoes came from. And that's the sweet potatoes.
Oh, so that's why
But-
they're more
I
crumbed
planted
up.
those in the pots because that was that's how I make my strips.
Oh, yes, sir.
See, so I planted those I think in April,
Yes, sir.
and we dug them last month. Right? Was it last month?
Yes, sir. I think so.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Might have been the beginning of this
strips that
month,
I took
Dad.
from those, the strips that I took from those,
Yes,
I
sir.
planted those on May 16th.
Yes, sir.
So, you know, and on the channel it was saying 90 to 105 days.
Yes, sir.
Well, I planted those May 16th. That's over 105 days. That's what I said. I'm going to get them out because I want to prepare that ground for planting the mustard greens.
So the mustard greens are going to be next.
That's it.
So you'll be planting those. So we'll see what those look like in a month or so. So,
Yeah.
yeah. And now I still say Dad can harvest a lot more bell peppers off of these. So,
Like I said, I don't really water gardens. They need watering.
yeah.
When Terry's
Sometimes
gone,
I
neither
just
do
get
we,
too
and it's
busy and-
bad.
Next thing I know, it's too late at night or it's too early in the morning. Or
Yeah, sir.
So,
Well, Dad, what would be good, and I got the idea from you because when we were putting out the fire, is that that lactate milk I got, that gallon, that would be good. That just go in that way. You can go inside and just, like you pour out the
You
fire,
just
just use
water
your,
them?
yeah, sir. And that way you
I
can
just
just,
like to give them a great deal of water. To
Yeah, sir.
Make sure the ground is soaked down deep enough.
Yeah,
so
sir.
they can Pull, that moisture from down there.
oh, I'm not talking about those, Dad. I'm talking about your ones that are in the pots. Yeah, sir.
I wonder if
Because that's what I've been doing with those. I was grabbing your ones and I was using that until I got the lactate.
You rinsed it up.
Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I use for spraying my bleach.
Yes, sir.
To get fungus and whatnot off the fence and off the side of the.
What you talking about, Dad? You talking about which one you talking about?
Sprayer.
Oh, no, sir. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about your 2-gallon jugs that we use to put the fire out.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Just your water jugs.
Oh.
So that's what I was watering with at first. And then I was like, now that I got my lactate gallon, as a matter of fact, it's in the motorhome.
Well, T-
That's what I've been kind of using to pour on it in the evening.
T-
So,
I saw that you had in the Amazon cart like those bulk things that
yes.
Jada had at one
I
time.
was looking at those.
And I haven't bought them yet, but it's like some. Dad, it's like
It's
some,
a self-waterer.
yeah, it's
basically.
like a reverse drip. So you fill
Yeah.
it up and you put it in there, but you can put it into the plant,
Mm-hmm.
and you can tell when all the water's gone because the bulb.
But I'm thinking there's one you can make and made his own watering system.
So all he do is just set it in his garden, turn the hose on, the thing waters.
And it waters
Oh,
it.
like a little sprinkler
Or
system.
Yep.
But he just made his own. I'm not surprised. That's what we should do something like that.
Well,
for
but the
the,
one we were talking about is so you would get you like a plastic bottle and get you like a little hard stick, tape it to the plastic bottle with a top, of course, maybe put you a little small hole in it, and then it just drips. It slowly drips
like
over time into your pot.
like maybe like
And
a,
it's like-
a 2-liter soda or something
Yeah,
like that.
uh-huh.
Mm.
And it's a slow drip, and that way it always keeps your plants watered.
Yeah,
So that's what I was looking at online.
because
So
I
with
think
the
we
Amazon.
need something like that out for the fig tree or something.
Oh, good, yeah.
But I was just telling,
It's after 5 already.
oh, it's after 5?
Yeah. They're going to be
But-
leaving here in about another 40 minutes or so.
Look at this, man.
Yeah. See,
I
like
wouldn't-
I would buy it when this size, like for when Thanksgiving, when I'm looking for the good sweet potatoes, I would buy one this big.
Mhm.
I'd buy these big ones.
That was from
Yeah.
the garden.
That's a good sweet potato.
So, like I told Maddie, like I told Dad gonna have to start his YouTube garden channel now.
I know. But look at how little space
So,
he's taking up in his yard.
yeah, well, I'm still trying to figure out how we're gonna do that.